I've got away! Yeah! I've actually got away. I'm up on the Mendips again. Look, they've been doing some tree work out there, look. They're doing something with the fences. I've got my smelly thing on there, look. Which is very nice. Yes, I've only come up for the night. Hopefully it's not too cold, because I haven't got very much gas left. Actually, I think the gas is nearly enough empty. So I'm going to get a cup of tea and a bit of toast in the morning before it runs out. I've actually come up here to do a review video of these Terra hiking poles that I got sent for review. So that's what I'm doing up here today or this evening. I'm not very well set up actually. I'm supposed to be getting out and doing a video and all that, bits and pieces, but I'm all a bit flustered at the moment, and I haven't got around to doing it yet. So I might end up having to come up tomorrow and do it again. But never mind. Anyway, let's make some tea. Well, there we go. I am freezing. Ooh, I am freezing. I can't see now. It didn't look it when I was out there. The sun was out, and I thought, it's going to be a nice walk round here. It was freezing. So I didn't last very long, I'm afraid. I did get a bit of stock footage. I was going to bring the gimbal as well, and I was going to do filming. I didn't, because I couldn't carry it all. I had my camera bag on my back. I couldn't carry anything else, so I didn't bother. And now it's getting dark, and the time is, I have no idea. Wow, it's 7:30. Anyway, I'm going to relax for the night because I'm tired out. I'm still nursing my cold, albeit not as bad as it was. I'm going to chill down for the night, and I'll probably see you guys in the morning. Oh, by the way, please keep your fingers crossed for me that I don't run out of gas tonight, so that I can have some tea and toast in the morning. We'll see you then. It was cold last night. It went down to about 4 degrees last night. Ellie was alright though. She wasn't cold. She had her sleeping bag as usual. And I was very lucky because I didn't run out of gas. I've got my suspicions that the gas bottle may have been filled with partially butane and partially propane. Because the last time I used it and it went down to about -4, -5, the bottle was saying empty. Well, it shouldn't do that on a propane bottle. Butane it would. Butane only goes down to about 5 degrees and then it stops coming out. But -4, -5, propane should have still been okay. But obviously, not being frozen last night and it only went down to 4 or 5. According to the gauge, there was still plenty left in there, so I'm a bit mystified as to what was going on there. Let's have some daylight. So yeah, that's it. That was just another quickie. Have myself a cup of tea and a bit of toast, and get back home. So and get on with the day. I've got to take my mum shopping. Love and light, guys. Have a great rest of the day, and see you next video.